This is the unboxing of the Motorola model MB8600. This company is no longer with Aris or does a partnership with Aris, but it's basically kind of like the same thing. I would say the comparable model is the Aris 8200. Remember, before purchasing a modem, make sure you know who's your internet service provider. Like mine is Comcast, and I know they use cable to provide the internet data. So if you're using, like, let's say for example AT&T, that would more than likely be DSL. So check with your cable provider before you go out and purchase an expensive modem that doesn't even sync with the network. The reason why I haven't flipped to the bottom side of it is because it has my MAC address on the bottom of it, and I don't want people to get that, so just hide that there. So here's a Motorola cable modem. It supports 3.1 and 3.0. 3.1 is the latest standard. It's supposed to be 46 times faster than 2.0, or up to it at least. And this is the model MB8600. Inside the box should be a cable modem, power cable, Ethernet cable, Velcro cable tie, and quick start flyer. On the back is the important features. You can read through that yourself when you buy it or online. I got this on Amazon and it cost me, I want to say, roughly 160 bucks total. And this is how the back of it looks. So make sure that you have cable coming into your house, and your cable would hook up to the back of this right here. This would be your power supply, and this is where the Ethernet cord would go, so that you could hook this up to either straight up to your laptop or to your wireless router. I haven't gotten in my new wireless router yet, so I'm not going to be hooking that up yet until I get my new wireless router. Okay, sorry about this video. I had to redo this portion over again, so you kind of like miss the original unboxing because the video file was corrupted for whatever reason. I guess during the transfer it got corrupted. But I'm doing it over again, and I got this lighting in the background, which should be a little bit better than the last one. So move all of this packaging that I took off from before. And the this yellow wire that comes in there is the Ethernet. Plugs in straight into the back right there. And then this part will either go straight into your desktop or laptop, or your wireless router that you're going to hook up to it. This piece over here is the power adapter. Right there. Plug straight into the back. There's your on and off button. And then you plug your cable cord into the back right here and tighten it on there. And also you have your reset button right there. It comes with these little instructions or whatever here. Quick start guide. Lets you know that it's a dock SIS 3.1. And you get this little, I guess, cable tie strap right here, and the little tool, I guess, to tighten it up, the cable wire. But I tighten it by hand, so that's not an issue. So I'll have the link in the description for the amount, where I got it from, and like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you. Take care.